Please like the video, like the video, like the video, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the video. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys? How are you? How have you been doing? For me, I'm doing great, alhamdulillah. Everything is wonderful. My day went well. I'm doing great, and I also wish nothing but the same to you guys. So this is your brother Somali boy reporting from the Pearl of Africa, Kampala, the greenest city in East Africa, or if not in Africa at large. So you guys, as you can see today we're going to have some kind of fun. By the way, what do you know about Somalia? Have you ever had a country called by the name Somalia, and what do you know about it? So tonight I'm going to share today whatever time that you are in right now. But before having said all that, please guys, I want to I'm talking to Arah team, okay guys. I want actually when I saw the views that I got, the last videos that I've been releasing, I got quite more views in comparison to subscribers and likes. So please guys, this like helps me a lot. So if you love your brother, your Somali boy, please like the video. I beg you with my folded hand, please like the video and subscribe to it, because you guys, I want you to reach me to 1,000 subscribes. I want to reach to that level. So, and I can't do anything minus your support. So your support can create a huge impact on someone's life. Anyway, tonight or today, whatever time you have, I want to share with you some kind of fun things. First of all, we want to know a little thing about my blood country. By the way, I'm a Somali person. So we want to know a little about Somalia. Somalia is a country that is located in the Horn of Africa. It is actually located in East Africa. It's bordered with Kenya. Where unajua alikuwa ni aje? I'm here to say, you know, I don't know you guys, but most of people know Kiswahili a lot, especially if you are Kenyan. Habari, niambie, alikuwa ni aje? Alikuwa poa mimi niko huko, life goes well. So Somalia is a country that has been, actually it is the only country I can say in Africa that has been colonized by 3 nations, super countries, super power countries have colonized Somalia, just an African country. So how did that happen? Somalia got its independence in 1960. Somalia was colonized by Britain, by Italy, and by France. So what am I trying to mean? Italy colonized, I mean the south part of the country was colonized by Italy. Somaliland, where you have heard the word Somaliland, is not a country, it's a part of Somalia. It was colonized by Britain. And Djibouti, if you ever had a country called Djibouti, Djibouti is now a country, but it was not a country before. Djibouti was part of Somalia. Just like you have seen Somaliland wants to get an independence, or to get its own, you know, to get recognition by the worldwide, by the other countries, but still it's not recognized yet, because we consider Somaliland just as a part of Somalia, and that is the fact. So anyone who did not know about that issue, make sure whenever you want to address the issue of Somaliland, don't call it as a country, it's a part of Somalia. You understand that? So the other thing that I want to tell you about Somalia is that Somalia had been in war for the last 30 years. Somalia, I can say, are the only people, if you see the economic of the country right now, if you see other countries that got collapsed, they seem to be the poorest countries in the Africa, but Somalia, despite having all those challenges, they have maintained a very great economic, and people are middle class people. We don't have poor people in Somalia and in even other areas. So why are they that? Why can't we find a poor person in Somalia or a poor people in Somalia? Somalia, we are not poor and people are not poor. And the reason is that they help each other, and that helps, that great thing of helping each other. When the country got problems in 1990, that is when our central government actually stopped functioning, and the actually civil war had begun at that time. So people have flown, they flew from the country to different nations, especially to Europe, to America, to Canada, and also to the neighboring countries, just to get their lives secured. So when people have gone outside of the country, especially America or to those countries who got like America, Europe, they helped their family back at home, and that made everybody to be middle class. So one thing I like about Somali people, what makes us very unique, is that we help each other hugely, and that is where actually and that's one thing I like about being a Somali guy. We help each other.